Hello, habari gani, mambo vipi? Thank you for just tuning in. This is It's Delicious with Irene. It's quite another beautiful, amazing, blessed day. Thank you for the one who is just watching now. On the one who didn't subscribe, please subscribe so that you cannot miss any of the beautiful recipe that I do upload. Do it right now. So today we are going to do butter cookies. It tastes so amazing. Just stay with me where you are, and more is about to come.
It's Delicious with Irene.
So dear people, this is all we need for our butter cookies. We first start with butter. We need 150 gram of butter. I'm going to pour it direct here like this. And of course we need flour, which is 400 gram. Also going to pour it inside. Yeah. And of course we need sugar. I have white sugar. You can also use a brown sugar if you have. This is 80 gram. And of course we need a baking powder. We want our cookies to be a bit fluffy, and it is like 1 big tablespoon. It is like 15 grams. And of course you want some extra flavor of vanilla. Yeah, so I have a vanilla powder, but actually you can also use a vanilla which is in a liquid form. That is also very fine, or any vanilla essence. And we also use whipped cream. I'm going to put like 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have whipped cream, you can also use maybe milk, but whipped cream makes it very, very tasty. And of course we are going to use also an egg. Yeah, I'm going to do it here first to be sure that it's not bad. Exactly. And of course it's nice. I'm going to pour it as well inside. So this is all we need for our butter cookies, and we see it's quite simple. So let's get close. And yeah, so dear people, this is how our cookies dough looks like after the good 3 minutes exactly. So I'm going to pour it here. Yeah, I'm going to put it here. And what is very important, look, it's really nice and it's so smooth. So a good idea is to stay in the fridge for like 30 minutes, and then after that it will be so good. So here are our forms. These are very important tools for shaping our cookies. We have different kind of forms. We have a heart, we have a star, we have something like flower. So if you don't have the forms, you might use maybe a knife to shape it, but it will take a long time. Yeah, but use something that is sharp and have some kind of a different figure. Sometimes you can also use a cup. You turn it upside down and you can also step on it. That's also another tip or idea. Yeah. So here is our dough. I use this foil here, but you can also clean your surface very well as the way you want. But for me, this is much more sure. And if I don't have so much time, so this is what I do to save my time. So I also pour flour so that we can start operating with our dough, and so that it cannot really stick here down. Yeah, and you also need to pour some here. Exactly. I'm going to divide it first. Like this. And I am going to roll it Yeah. Make sure it's not so thick because remember there is baking powder here inside. They will kind of rise later. Yeah. So this should be good. And what I need now is a backing paper. You can have the backing paper or you can use your backing foam. That all is good. So now we are going to form our cookies. I would prefer to start with a star figure. So you just step on it like this. Yeah. It looks amazing. Okay, and then the next step, I'll just shifting them here. Many do stars for Christmas, but for me, a star can be anytime. I love stars. They're beautiful, aren't they? And of course, we don't throw this. We have to put it all together again, and then we make another. And here we are. We have another, so here I can exchange. I make something that looks like a flower. Exactly. So this is how it goes. And this is how you go throughout your dough. Our cookies are very ready to go to the oven. As you can see, so many different shapes, stars, flowers, and a heart, of course. And it will go like for 8 to 10 minutes, and it will be ready. The grade is 200, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back. And yes, of course, we would love our cookies to have a topping. The topping of today, we will have hazelnut, and of course, hazelnut. Yeah, they're grinded hazelnut. And we will have also Nutella. Who is also a fan of Nutella? We have Nutella here. And of course, butter. Yeah. And vanilla sugar. But first, what we're going to put here, we're going to fry a bit this hazelnut with some butter for the preparation of our cookies topping. Yay! We add some butter. Yeah. And now we can pour our hazelnuts. Whoa, I love hazelnuts. The taste is just so good. And we mix it here like this till they turn like a bit of caramel color. And our hazelnuts are slowly turning brownie from far. The smell is just so good. I'm in love with the smell. So we add also on top some vanilla sugar to add some flavor on it. If you don't have the vanilla sugar, you can also put a normal sugar with some vanilla essence, but vanilla makes it so yummy. And then we mix it all so good together. I present to you the hazelnuts already. So this is the result after the good 10 minutes. Our cookies are looking so good, so inviting. Just look at this. Wow, it's so amazing. So now actually you can eat like this. It can also be okay, but I always love to do some decorations, since I also love chocolates. Here I have Nutella, and here I have the fried hazelnut, which are mixed with vanilla and butter. So the first step, I will take this Nutella and put it on top of this cookie, like this. Yeah, just like here in the middle. Yes, just like this, like that. This, that. Now as you see, the Nutella is really ready on top. I tried to put it neat. You can also put it neater. I take this hazelnut. I prefer to use a hand since I can just pour very good with it. So this is how you keep on doing till you finish all the cookies that you have at your Wow, is this not amazing? Beautiful. It smells so great inside here. I cannot just wait to grab them. They're very ready now, but I'll just put them like 3 minutes back to the oven so that this Nutella can really stick good with the hazelnut. And exactly, we don't want anything to melt anywhere. Yeah, stay tuned. Yay, our cookies are very good, looking so amazing. As you can see, the stars, the flowers, the love in the center. Oh, it's just so amazing. It smells so fresh, so good, so I cannot just wait to test it. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Asante sana kwa kuwa pamoja nami toka mwanzo mpaka mwisho. Thank you for being with me from the beginning till the end. The butter cookies are just something else. Let me test it for you. It is so good. You really have to test it. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.